going down. I was already down here earlier. I left everything on, so that's why we're coming down. And also we're just coming down to make a YouTube video. There's gonna be a special video. Soon. How did? It's just something random was on. I don't really care. We have a special video coming up tomorrow. As I said, Godzilla vs. Gigan was supposed to happen. But you know what? It happened. It didn't happen because I kind of forgot. And then again, the Santa Fe chassis system. Oh my gosh, this is also just kind of a layout update. Because as you can see, the church, if you remember, used to be right there, now it's way over there. The barn used to be over there, but now it's way over here. And that accidentally just happened. Train crash. Santa Fe, Green Bay, and Western, and Minneapolis and St. Louis just got knocked over on the rails. So this song sucks. In my opinion, I hate it. As I was also watching Craig of the Creek. Watch Craig of the Creek if you like it. I mean, it's okay. I'm not one of those guys who's a super big fan of Craig of the Creek. I'm just kind of watch it. It's kind of random. I also watch Clarence because that is hilarious. Watch Clarence. Shout outs today. Last shout out was not for a while. Today's shout out is to Coriante Cleveland for being the best friend, and Jaden, one of Nico's friends that I've seen. So those are the shout outs today. Shout outs today. Shout outs today. Those were the shout outs. So we have big layout update. This one's been pretty big. This one's has been pretty big. It's gonna big. So yeah, that's really a lot of stuff that changed. That's here now. Those buildings used to be right here. And now they're right there. As the church used to be right here. And now it's right here. The buildings used to be just scooted over a little bit. As that was right here. Those two pieces were next to the church. They're still next to it. Except they're just over here. By the forest area. I mean, I unplugged the trains and stuff when I was upstairs. Oh, well. If y'all like this song, I have to say I don't like it. I hate the song. So let's keep going with my video. I'm just saying this is in a basement right now. As you can see, pool sticks. You guys might be wondering why. Well, time to figure out why. Because that is a pool table that the train set is on. The train set is on a pool table. All of y'all might be thinking, then how is it permanent and stuff like that? Well, that's the thing, is it's not. This is not the permanent set. This is just kind of here. Because we like to come down with trains after we come to the train station. If you missed my last video, train station, read the description on that train station and BNSF, the BNSF train that was in Lafayette. So just kind of go read the descriptions for that because it's long. It might not be important to some people, but I was just saying that. As a lot of people have been wanting me to do a Fortnite video. I'm not sure if I will or not. Might be Fortnite Chapter 2, Season 3. One video each season is probably what I'll start doing. And that first one was near the end of it. So that's what we'll be doing. So the Fortnite video will be coming when there's about like 3 or 4 weeks. Like 10 weeks or 6 weeks until the season ends is when the next video will be. There's a video on this, I think, but we're just going to do a video of this real quick and the video of the crossings because I've been forgetting about a little bit of videos because I haven't made them in a little bit. So as you can tell right here, let's plug in this light. So here we are. This is Lafayette, Indiana. Lafayette, Indiana. Last train 2001. The end is here. Lafayette Railroad relocation. April 6, 2001. Celebrating the last train. Norfolk Southern. And then here's the video on this. It's one of the crossings that used to have an arm. We're gonna have to get it. We know where it is. We just don't have it on here, but here's what it does. Turn it on. It's a pretty big size. It's a big size. This is what I have it on. So turn it on. So it kind of does something here.
The train is crossing. Stay clear of the tracks.
It does. Pretty sure that's the end.
The train is crossing. Stay clear of the tracks.
I think it's glitched right now, so. This thing, I'm not sure if this takes batteries or not. Yep, it takes batteries. I usually never touch it, and it's usually right over here. Look, and that even goes up. That's why the arm still works.
The train has passed. You're clear to go.
Well, that's what that does. I'll get it real quick of it going down. I'm just going to turn it off right now. So if y'all, we're going to run some trains. Because that's what we do. Because that's what we're supposed to do on this. Santa, which one should we do? Well, here. We'll go 655. Here, we'll start from Santa Fe 2099. Then Union Pacific 866. And Santa Fe 3841. And then Norfolk Southern 6551. So let's get started. Let's put the Santa Fe 2099. Let's get some train cars. Let's put on Swift. Refrigerator car. Oh, and also if you want, go subscribe to where is that box car? Subscribe to GMF Trains. Also subscribe to Lachlan. Subscribe to me. But I'm just saying this real quick, just in case if the video ends up cutting out when I'm trying to record. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell, because we need you to do that right now to grow, to make our to make our YouTube channel bigger and bigger. The more bigger we get, the more advanced videos we'll get. And when I get to 100 videos, and when I start to make money and stuff like that, when I get like 100 subscribers, when I start to make money and stuff, we will be buying a stand. A camera stand. We'll be buying all of that crazy stuff. So now it's the last train car. And because we're going old-fashioned here, I'm going to go old-fashioned, put on the Chattanooga, even though it's a Santa Fe train, and put on the Chattanooga caboose. Respect. 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 Last time we had one of these, the wire blew up. This is a control system. We have the horn. We also have the control system for the trains. And we also have the light. These red lights for the trains, the train crossings. When this gets back, we'll switch it to the Union Pacific. Union Pacific. Here it comes. Well, and we'll run Percy. Come on. Come on. Watch, you can see the lights turn on. Oh, that's a problem with this Union Pacific. Is it makes a loud sound. But the Union Pacific is one of my favorites. Comment down below if my comments are turned on this one. Comment down below which engine is your favorite. Santa Fe. Union. So remember these numbers. I'll even put these in the description of the video. I'll even put which ones. You can like 2. I'll write these down, but remember these numbers. Which one's your favorite? Santa Fe 2099, Union Pacific 866, Percy, Santa Fe 3841, or Norfolk Southern 6551. Choose whichever one's your favorite. Comment down below which one's your favorite of any of these ones. I know I have we still are trying to fix the Chattanooga, but I'm still gonna allow you guys to vote on this. You can choose the Chattanooga or 636. You can choose. These are the ones you get to choose from. Percy number 6. Basically just put Thomas and Friends, or just put Percy. Put Percy. You can either put Percy, Union Pacific 866, Santa Fe 2099, Norfolk Southern 6551, Santa Fe 3841, and the last one, Chattanooga 638. So I'll go over that one more time near the end of the video so you guys can remember. But next, we're going to put on Percy. We're going to put on Percy with his troublesome truck. Guys, watch this. Watch. This doesn't hurt the car, but watch. So I'm going to do this all the time.